this. Let's hear this beast.
Oh no,
he stole. Oh no, his car died. Oh. So today I'm going to be filling my friend's car. We're going to be installing a catback exhaust for his 2017 WRX. But before we head out, let's look at that Subi. Alright, so if you're wondering what I have in my trunk, I don't have much, but some oil, coolant, and some wax products right here. I have the Beat Rush rear strut bar. This looks super clean from the back. Check that out. You know, nice little stiffening for the body. Nice brace. Look at all that dirt and grime from the last time it rained. It's all good. I'm not too worried about how the car looks like right now, honestly. Especially because it's raining season, so I could care less. But, so yeah, let's go. Let's go get some coffee real quick. Hands down, this is the best creamer right here. Ooh, look at that. I'm out here filling up on some gas. Hey, things clean, bro.
What's up?
Things clean, man.
Thank you, man.
What year is it?
15.
15?
Yeah.
Nice.
Thank you.
Alright, let's get out of here, guys.
Mount Diablo.
Damn, yo. Random encounter. It's like it was meant to be. I was on my way to Kyle's house and then I saw this random Subi over here. That is crazy, everyone. Hey bro, on my way over here, there was a random Subi, like over here towards the other road. I think, what is that?
Silver one?
No, there's a blue one. From Mount Intercool and everything.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. And then I was just following the dude, just getting roller shots. And then he was like, he's probably thinking I was a creeper, man.
Think you're spying on him?
Yeah, I was spying on him, but I got some pulls from him. But,
for real?
Yeah.
Oh, rolled down and everything?
Yeah, the window rolled down. I started pulling up to him, I started honking, bro. And then he kept going. He didn't notice until towards the end.
Wait, was it blue 2015?
No. It was like it was a blow by.
Oh, okay. Because I
Yeah.
saw this dude on this street, on that street right over there.
Okay.
A blue WRX. That's pretty sweet. I think I did a little Subi wave.
Yeah, I did the Subi wave in the Toyota. So Kyle, do you want to tell him what kind of car this is, what year, and what model?
2018 WRX Premium.
Okay. So, for how long have you been having it for?
5 months.
5 months. And tell them what you're gonna do today.
We're swapping out the stock exhaust for a single exit carbon exhaust.
Okay. So, are you ready for that rev ticket though, and that fine?
Oh, I'm ready, dude.
All right. So, what did you do to it so far, besides exhaust?
I was gonna say.
As of right now. So, what mods do you have done to
I
it?
barely have anything on it right now. I mean, I did the window tint.
Okay. Window tint. What percent do you have it?
35 in the front and 18 in the back.
And then you also have the roof
And I
wrap.
got the roof wrap done by We Styled Up in Antioch, California.
Okay. And then you have the Rally Armor mud flaps.
Yep.
You know. You know. It's all good. Show them the interior, bro. Did you already install the pieces for the interior?
Not the e-brake button.
Okay. Show them the shift knob.
Oh, my shit's dirty.
Yeah, it's all good.
Got my carbon fiber
Got the carbon
bezel
fiber.
right there. Custom made e-brake button and my shift knob are gonna be coming in. I said about like 4 weeks.
Nice. All right. Good shit, bro.
Yeah.
Let's hear this stock exhaust for the last time.
Yeah. Hopefully I don't have to.
Nah, you're good, bro. You don't have to put it back on. I doubt you'll get pulled over. Rev it. Damn, it's really quiet. One more time. All right, there you guys have it. So that's the stock exhaust for you guys. We don't want that. We want the... Where's the upgrade at? Is it in the trunk?
Right there.
Ooh. Yeah, I see it.
Hit it.
Nah, it's good. I already see those welds, bro. They look clean.
I know. The hell, colorful actually.
State ref ain't ready. Well, you know you gotta teach it a lesson. You gotta open that box like Superman. So carbon exhaust, stainless steel.
Yep.
That is a pretty exhaust. Damn, son. Carbon exhaust. Road's kind of busy, huh?
This road, but people treat this road as a freeway.
That's like a freeway, right?
Yeah.
Almost got killed right now, bro.
Damn,
there's another car.
End, dude.
I got the dopest socks on the planet, bro.
Game on
Sock
point.
game on point, boy. Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy. You know. How many pounds of boost? Like, what's the peak amount of boost here?
It's just peaked 21.4, but I don't really believe that.
No, I do believe it, bro. So 21 pounds of boost on a small baby turbo. Not bad.
I get up to like 19. Nah, all I'm missing is that parent shift stop. I still don't have that one yet.
Yeah. Does it already have a short throw in there?
Yep. The STI short throw, yeah.
Oh, okay. 6-speed. You can hear the little turbo. It's a cute turbo, bro.
Little baby turbo.
You know.
There
A
goes
little cute
the
turbo.
Honda.
Yeah. What's your thoughts on it so far?
On this car?
Yeah.
I love it, dude. I just can't wait to hear that exhaust.
All you need is that downpipe, but you know you don't want to avoid that warranty yet.
Nah, yeah, I gotta make sure there's nothing wrong with this thing first. I got that fresh, not even 6,000 miles on. Now I've been seeing, there's this one guy with like a 2017 STI. We always get on the freeway at the same time, but hitting like E85 or something.
Oh, he's on you can just smell it, huh?
Well, you can see it too.
Yeah.
It's a STI without a wing.
Oh, sleeper status, huh?
Yeah.
Man, this is what happens when you forget your jacks. 2 jacks are like for, I don't know, 20, 30 bucks. But it's a good investment, bro, in case you ever want to adjust something, you know?
True.
I don't remember having one. It's my word. Black and white, you can't ever go wrong with this combo. Yep, those are the ones. But usually they have, oh, right here. Yeah, 30 bucks. Where do you guys have blinker fluid at? Like, he's like, you guys ever hear that?
We actually did just the other day. I think it was
No way.
Saturday. A woman came in and she
Their
said
blinker
that,
stopped working?
and like we just told her, whoever told you that, they're just messing with you. So she calls her husband and just starts cussing him out.
Wait, so you think her husband sent her?
I mean, he sent her for other
AutoZone?
stuff too. Yeah, so it wasn't like he just sent her on this completely
Like,
useless
I need
trip.
some oil, you know.
She's like, all right, ask for blinker fluid. She really said that?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that downforce.
Whose man's?
Whose man's? Lower the window. Let's hear this. Let's hear this beast.
Oh,
no,
he stalled.
Oh, poor guy, bro. I feel bad. Oh no, his car died. Oh, yeah, he has the hazards on. All right, what do you have the WD-40? All right, good. We have the car fully jacked up now. So now we just got to spray some WD-40 on the bolts, and then we're gonna start removing the exhaust. Yep. Damn, that was easy.
EddieNuffSaid blessing my car right now.
First muffler is off. This thing probably weighs like 25 pounds. First muffler is off.
Bro, it's already a single exit now.
Already single exit. So right now we're just loosening up the last muffler, and then we're gonna be removing the mid pipe to the down pipe. So everything should go smoothly. It's crazy because like the bolts with the exhaust, super easy to remove. Whereas compared to my car, it was like a damn near a struggle to take every bolt out because they were so seized. But that's the good thing about working with the newer Subarus, is that everything is so easy to remove. So let me show you guys this exhaust. Fat pipes, looks like a 3-inch to me. Yeah, 3-inch mid pipe, and then stock. I can literally wrap my fingers around it. Look at that. Look how much restrictive it is. All right, man. Show both mufflers. You know they're gonna be hella heavy, bro.
Yeah, these are fucking...
How much you think? How many pounds?
Probably just as heavy as the whole exhaust itself. The new one.
40 pounds right there or more?
Together?
Yeah.
Probably, dude.
We're making progress. So now we just have the mid pipe, and then we get the bolts to the down pipe, and that's it.
The gaskets, clamps.
Alright, it's the clamp.
Okay. The toe strap.
That's sick, bro.
It's good quality.
So that's what came with the exhaust.
Yep.
And that's to fill in the extra hole.
Yep.
Essentially, all there is to install the exhaust is to remove these 2 bolts, and then we remove the mid pipe, and that's it, guys. And then we just bolt on the other exhaust. Guys, so the entire exhaust, stock exhaust, is already out. That's like what, 20 pounds?
That thing's super light, yeah.
Yeah.
It's just an awkward weight, yeah.
Okay. So let's show them with the mufflers. All right, guys. So this is in comparison. That's the OEM exhaust, and this is the what kind of exhaust? Carvin exhaust. Now, if you look at the piping, check this out, guys. So this is what your OEM Subaru is breathing. This is how it's breathing essentially. It's like getting choked while running the mile, bro.
Yeah.
Where this is like, damn, son, it's 3 inch. You can't even compare, bro. It's like an inch. 3 inches.
That's 3-inch piping with a 4-inch
muffler.
4-inch muffler, yeah.
Nice. These welds.
Colorful.
Nice welds. Yeah, they're nice. All right, so the first piece we're going to be installing is the mid pipe. See, that's the OEM down pipe right there. So we're going to be installing that guy, and then we're going to be connecting it to the muffler. Super easy to install an exhaust on these cars. All right, guys, that was it. We installed the exhaust. I know it's a little dark now, but we did it. All right, so there's the pipe. So that's the OEM down pipe, which you're looking at right there. And then 3 inches all the way down. You're gonna have 2 clamps holding them down. Yeah. Turn it on, you're good. Yeah, okay, rev it, rev it. Sounds clean, bro. And I'll just check under the car to see if there's any exhaust leaks. Alright. You want to hear it?
Oh.
What do you think, bro?
Dude. Yeah. Nice.
Clean, huh?
Yeah. Perfect noise, dude.
You're not gonna get caught for that.
For me, yeah, you know.
Very crisp and smooth.
I like it, dude.
We're pretty much done, guys. We just finished installing the toe strap that came with the exhaust. Pretty cool, right? I know. So then, check out that exhaust. Damn, thing is beautiful. Dig it. Nice. Go ahead. So this is an exhaust if you kind of want to stay low key, but still have some of that nice little rumble to it. Okay. Yeah, it looks good, man. Now let's hope you don't get that rep ticket. $1,000 ticket too.
Man.
I don't know if it's only a California thing.
Mountain bikes?
Yeah.
Right? It's a cool job.
Eddie, nice to meet you.
Professional
Nice to meet you.
pizza
Eddie.
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 Yeah.
Good to meet you, man.
Thank you. You too.
That is the other one I work with the Subaru.
Oh, over at the.
Yeah, they did the
Oh, you got the STI?
STI.
Okay, right on.
Fun car. I know he's telling me you have a GTI too, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So the car gene runs in the family with you guys, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, he's the car.
Video. If you really enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Be prepared for more videos to be dropping very soon. Catch you guys later. Peace out and stay safe.